besties. What I was trying to say before, usually we get a 2-pack, so I should like that. I have done zero research on this brand.
Got a paper cup full of wine. I played a Charles Bridge on the side, with your hand resting under mine. Hope I'm not so out of line. You put
Hi besties. I keep doing this now. I don't know why. McKinley, hold it still.
I'm trying.
Good morning. I feel like this vlog is gonna be another productive vlog, but it's really like whenever I say it's a productive vlog, I just mean I'm going outside for once. Whatever gets me out of the house, I guess. But today we're gonna go to IKEA, got a few errands to run. It is the Easter weekend, so we have like a 5 days weekend, but the shops are only open for like 2 days. Gonna run to IKEA to have a look at some stuff. I'm still on the search for that rug, the perfect rug. We're gonna go to Costco to grab our like fortnightly groceries, and then I gotta go to Bunnings. Why are we going to Bunnings?
Might do, just for clothes hanger.
Go clothes hanger. We've had this one for like 40 years and it's holding on to dear life. I think it's time.
It didn't, it snapped in half. Yes, yeah.
It served us well. But anyways, this is the fit. I think right now it's giving like school student slash librarian a little bit, but let me show you the fit. Give me that! My shirt is so wrinkled and I actually don't have an iron, so this will have to do for now. I'm wearing these, but I don't know how I feel about them. I guess it's fine because it's kind of sporty, but not. But gonna wear my summer Ondo bag as always. So yes, that is the fit. So we're finally at IKEA and I'm looking around. No rugs yet. I feel like I've been having a lot of trouble sort of navigating what style I really want inside my home. If you're a long-time watcher, you will know what the beginning of my apartment looks like versus now, and I feel like it's going through a bit of changes, but I also feel like I'm not that sure yet of what I want. And the thing about me is that once I like something, I just hyper focus on it. I feel like I can't really like open my mind up to anything else. And then so when that cycle continues, my style gets a little bit mixed up in all kind of ways. Okay, what I was trying to say before was that I am still navigating a style that I like. And I feel like I like a lot of these things that don't make sense, but I don't know where this is going. I will figure out. No, what I'm saying is I'm figuring out now the things that I like. I think. No, yeah. I know what I like, but I feel like I don't really have a name for what I like yet. And it needs to be one of my like hyper-focus session, I feel. Anyways, I don't know what this is about. I don't know why I'm trying to be deep about this. I'm just trying to make it cozy. That's it. Okay, grab some tofu. I love looking in the veggie section. There was a really big basil tree. It's like a pot of basil. Maybe I'll get that because my plant is low-key dying. They said to trim it and I have been trimming it. Ooh, a big thing of spinach. Do they have kale? Hopefully this has been recording that entire time. Guys, I don't know what they put in the Costco fruit and veg because they last forever. Ooh, $10 for snow peas. Where are we? And then we gotta go get our ciabatta. If they have it, usually we get a 2-pack. So do they even have it today?
No ciabatta, I think.
Rip. $1.8 kilos. Really? Oh, 6 packs. Not a good pack.
You got the Lego
Wait, it's
facing.
vegan. Oh my god, I have no idea why I thought filming in there was a good idea. I did get shy at one point, but holy shit, every single time I go to Costco, I've hated it. I've hated being there. I love the stuff that's there, but I hate being in Costco so much. No one knows how to walk for some reason. Everyone walks really slow or really fast. That was literally the worst experience of my life. I feel like we got most of the things we needed, but half of the things that we wanted to look at, we couldn't because everyone's so impatient, like, back up. If I'm looking at something, back the fuck up. Wait your turn. I waited my turn. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Bunnings, grab some stuff, and then, yes, that was the worst experience of my life. I hate Costco, and I hate everyone who goes to Costco, including me. I am on the hunt for a Queensland bottle tree, but I think that's more like of a specialized thing, so I'm not sure if I'll find it here, but worth a check, I guess. I literally just found it. This one is good size as well. Wow, I can't believe it. Wow, I've been scouring Facebook Marketplace and I can't believe I found it. They're like 22 bucks. Bit wilted, but I think it's fine. These are also cat safe. I did look into that. Wow, okay. I don't know how to react. I didn't think it'd be this easy to find because I thought they were like more specialized tree. Is this one? That was nice. But it's not at all. Wow, it's dying a little bit. Okay, yay. I'm so happy. Now we just gotta find a pot for it. I have done zero research on this plant. I didn't think I could find it that easily. But it's only $22. I can't believe it. Remember we were looking at one of these that were like 150 bucks? I just want it to be a little bit taller. Or it could be like a bonsai situation. Like next to the TV. I wish I had my USM. Does this come in a set, you reckon? We were fighting for our lives to not get burritos because we went out to get ingredients for hotpot and we were so close to getting like Mexican, but we were really brave and we went home. This is the spread. It is the next day. I just finished smashing down a bowl of noodles. I am very full right now. So the plant I bought yesterday, she is currently sitting just outside the balcony door. I am really procrastinating on repotting her. Also, a bit of background, the reason why I love this plant so much is because one, it is stunning. It gives kind of like bonsai vibes. I'm pretty sure it could survive inside and outside as long as you give it the right conditions sort of thing. And secondly, because we get like western sun, it gets very intense, so no plants ever really survive on our balcony or inside our place at all, because this is Queensland. Bottle tree, it belongs in Queensland where I live, so it makes a lot of sense as to why it would love the condition. So that makes it way easier for me. And I have researched, and it's not toxic to cat, and that is also a really big reason why I wanted one as well. I really want to have a coffee, but I wonder if I repot it and then have a coffee as a treat, or do I just have one now so I stop procrastinating?
잔인해 그대란 사랑 작은 유리병에 나를 넣고 나를 놓아주면 안 되나요? 나를 사랑할래요. 나 그대 없으면 나 한시도 못 가서 금방 숨이 멎을 것 같아요. 그대 나를 바라봐요. 그대 결심해요. 내가
Okay, I feel like I did really well. If you're a plant person, I'm so sorry you had to watch me do that. We have two fallen soldiers. Hopefully she stays alive.
그댄 걸 누가 뭐라 해도 제 멋대로